Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the basic techniques of plant breeding. As the crop improvement of plant breeding has been achieved through several methods. It includes plant introduction and acclimatization, selection, special method of selections, hybridization, mutation breeding, etc. So we are now going to discuss the first method, that is called selection. So first we should know what is the selection. Selection basically refers to the process that favors survival and further propagation of some plants having more desirable characters than other. So we eliminate undesirable ones and we prefer the desirable characters having plant. The end production of selection process is called selection. It is of two types. Basically. Natural selection, it may be artificial selection. Natural selection is the selection where it operates in nature without human interference. And in case of artificial selection, the selection is made by the human. It favors those characteristics of the plants that are related to the yield and quality. They are of many types: mass selection and pure line selection. When we talk about the mass selection refers to a method of crop improvement in which individual plants are selected on the basis of phenotype from a mixed population. From mixed population, we select individual plant of desirable phenotype. Phenotype is the external appearance of the plant, and after that their seeds are bulked and used to grow the next generation. Mass selection is basically applicable to both cross-pollinated and self-pollinated species, but basically it is more commonly used in the improvement of cross-pollinated crops, and it is rarely for self-pollinated crops. We can use in both, but it is preferred in the cross-pollinated crops. For the mass selection, first we there are various steps for it. First is the selection of the base population. We first select the base population from which we will select the desirable plant. Then in the next step, selection of desirable plant from the base population is done, and after it, in next year, mixing their seeds to raise the next generation. We mix the seeds of selected desirable plants, and then after that we sow them, and then we raise the next generation of the plant. After generation of new plants, first we evaluate them in field trials, and if it is successful, then we release as a new variety. So it takes, the general procedure of mass selection basically takes about 8 years. So in first year, second year, third year to sixth year, and 7 to 8 years, we done lots of things. After that, next method is the pure line selection. In the pure line selection, which refers to the homogeneous progeny of self-pollinated homozygous plants, development of new varieties through identification and isolation of single best plant progeny is known as pure line selection or individual plant selection. Here we will select homozygous progeny of self-pollinated homozygous plants. This method is commonly used in self-pollinated species. The best pure line may be used as a variety or as a parent in the hybridization for the development of superior cultivars. In this way, we select first male plant and female plant as a pure line, and then after hybridization we get the superior cultivars, and it is basically practiced in the heterogeneous population. When we talk about its procedure, first we select the heterogeneous population from which pure line have to be isolated. And after that, isolation of pure line is done by individual plant selection, and after it, testing of pure line is done in field trials. If it is successful, then we release the best pure line as a variety. This method involved basically 10 years to develop a variety. Another method is also there, that is called clonal selection. In clonal means identical. In clonal selection, progeny of a single plant is obtained by basically asexual reproduction. Because when plants are asexually propagated, they will not create any variation, because there is no exchange of gene is there during fertilization. So they are called as clone. A procedure of selecting superior clones from the mixed population of asexually propagating crop is referred to as a clonal selection. There are some agricultural and horticultural crops which are propagated by means of asexual method. They include sugar canes, potato, sweet potato, banana, mango, citrus, apple, pears, lychee, etc. So we can operate according to the crop, which type of crop is, whether it is self pollinated crop, where it is cross pollinated crop, or it is asexually propagated crop. We will operate either mass selection, either pure line selection, or either clonal selection to develop a new variety. Through this selection method, which is the oldest method, we can create a new variety, or we can create a new crop improved variety. So in this way, this selection method help to develop a desirable variety through plant breeding. This is all about the selection procedure. Thank you.